guys, unfortunately my GoPro lens, HERO5 lens broke. It's really bad. Thank God the inner lens is safe. Only the outer protecting lens is broken, so it is replaceable. Today I am going to explain you how to remove this outer protective lens, and I got a new lens. This is the brand new replacement lens from GoPro. You can see the official logo there. For GoPro HERO5 Black. Here they have given the procedure how to remove the lens. Let's try it. Let's check inside. You can see it. It goes here. Let me show you how to remove this lens. Basically, many videos says it is easily removable. In reality, it is not easily removable. First time if you remove the GoPro lens, it's very hard to remove. So I have a technique for that. Take some 2 credit cards, some card, or one is enough, I guess. It's a credit card shape. Thickness is of credit card. Make a space in between the lens and the GoPro with this card. Try to pull it out a little bit and try to insert this card in that gap. This is second time I'm removing the lens, so it is a bit easy. If you are removing your lens for first time, it will be a bit difficult. Just try to insert one card here and one card in the opposite side, and just try to twist it out. Just twist it. That's my metro card. It will come out. That's it. See how it's broken. Now I'll replace my old lens with this new. I think it should go like this. Just keep it like this. See the position, push it and twist it back, just like that, and it locks. Neat.